Uh, Hello everyone, my name is Kuldeep Rathod. Today's topic is the nervous system. So the nervous system is a complex network responsible for coordinating and controlling the activities of the body. It is divided into two main parts: the central nervous system (CNS) and the peripheral nervous system (PNS). So here's the first of all, first one is a central nervous system. So the central nervous system is a compound brain and spinal cord. So there are the central nervous system function. The CNS central nervous system is the control center of the body. So the processing and the interpreting sensory data and the sensory data and sending out instructions. So central nervous system brain. So brain control cognitive, sensory, prescription and movement. So the spinal cord. The spinal cord carries signal between the brain and the body. So spinal cord signal between the brain and the body and also play a role in reflex action. Second one is a peripheral nervous system. So the compound, the nervous outside of the central nervous system. So the functions are functions are peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system connect to the central nervous system to limb and organ. So somatic nervous system control voluntary muscles, movement, relays sensory information to the central nervous system. So autonomic nervous system. So the regulates involuntary function, for example, heart rate, digestion. So the it is subdivided into sympathetic nervous system. Prepare the body stress related activities to the fight or flight. So the parasympathetic nervous system. So restore the body to a state of calm, rest and digest. So the third one is a neuron structure. Then neuron are the functional of the nervous system with the three parts. Cell body means soma. So the contain the nucleus and organelles. So dendrites receive the signal from the other neuron, axon, send signal to other neuron, muscles or glands. So the nerve impulses. So the nerve impulses or action potential are electrical signal that travel along neuron to transmit information. The process involves the resting potential. The neuron is at rest with negative charges inside. So the action potential. So the stimulate causes of change in electrical charge leading to signal transmissions. So the junction between two neuron. So the junction between two neuron, where a neurotransmitters where a neurotransmitter are released to carry the signal to the next neuron. So the sensory motors function. Then the sensory motors functions are the neuron carry a signal from sensory receptor, for example, skin, eyes, to the central nervous system. Motor neurons carry signal from the CNS, means central nervous system, to muscles or gland to produce a response. Sixth one is a disorder of nervous system. So the common disorders include Parkinson's disease, degenerative disorder, affecting motor, the affecting motor control, Alzheimer's disease, progressive condition that affect the memory and cognition, the multiple cirrhosis of the condition where the condition where the immune system attack the protective covering of the nerves. So the disorder characterized by recurrent due to the abnormal brain activity. So the thank you.